Now I've noticed another little bit. I forgot to take this back, and if I don't take that back, this whole area here will not lift at all. I'm going to get back to you. Okay, here we go. I've gotten this off. There's screws under here that need to be removed first. They're all there's posi drive or star drive type screws. Once you get them off, you have to give it a bit of effort to pull that apart. It's not going to just come off. I'm telling you that right now. You've got to give it a bit of force, but it won't break. I'll be back. Right, the next thing I'd suggest is unplugging your power cord, which runs down to this little circuit board here, or I'd call it the main circuit board because there's not much of a circuit board in here. It's a little clip. You might need a screwdriver, prise it back, right in there, and we'll be back. Yeah, to get that off, you just needed 2 hands, so I couldn't do it with one hand. I'm using my master hand to run the camera. Taking this out is going to be fucking fun.